We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important questions for SSC CPO exam. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. So, today's first question is, where is the headquarter of the SWIFT, that is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Transaction? So, it is in Belgium. Option E is the correct answer. Where is the headquarter of the National Crime Record Bureau, that is NCRB? So it is in New Delhi and this falls under Ministry of Home Affairs. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation, that is OIC, is headquartered at, so it is headquartered at Saudi Arabia. That is option E is the correct answer. It is the second largest intergovernmental organization after UN. The NATO summit was recently held in London, which also marked its 70th anniversary. NATO stands for, so NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. That is option B is the correct answer. It is an intergovernmental military alliance between 29 non-North American countries and European countries. Next question. OECD is headquartered at, OECD is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. It is headquartered at France, Paris. Option A is the correct answer. Pakistan is soon to be removed from the grey list of FATF. FATF is based out at, where is FATF? So it is in Paris and the full form of FATF is Financial Action Task Force. The headquarters of IRDAI are located at, okay, it is exactly the headquarter of IRDAI is located at, so it is located at Hyderabad, option C. And the full form of IRDAI is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Next question. India is set to host the 91st International Criminal Police Organization, that is Interpol, General Assembly in 2022. Where is the headquarter of Interpol? So the headquarter is in Lyon, France, option B. The UNCTAD is headquartered at, so it is headquartered at Geneva, option C. And what is UNCTAD? It is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. The Tea Board is headquartered at, this is the Tea Board of India, it is headquartered at Kolkata. Option B is the correct answer. It was established by enactment of the Tea Act 1953. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Where is the headquarter of the Asian Development Bank situated? So the headquarter of Asian Development Bank is situated at Manila, Philippines, option C. Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific, that is ESCAP SCAPE, is an organization under which of the following? So this is an organization under United Nations, option C, as this is United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific. In which country is the seat of the United Nations International Court of Justice? So it is in Netherlands, and that is called Peace Palace. Next question. National Institute of Bank Management, that is NIBM, was established in the year 1969. Where is it located? So it is located in Pune and it is chaired by Governor of RBI. Option A is the correct answer. The headquarters of UNESCO is at, the headquarters of UNESCO is at Paris, that is in France. Option C is the correct answer, and the full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization is in, so the headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization is Rome, that is in Italy. Center for Ecological Science is situated at, the Center for Ecological Science is situated at Bangalore. Option B is the correct answer. Where is the National Botanical Research Institute located? The National Botanical Research Institute is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Option D. Which of the following is the headquarters of International Renewable Energy Agency, that is IRENA? So its headquarters is in Abu Dhabi of United Arab Emirates, that is UAE. Option D is the correct answer. The last question. The World Wide Fund of Nature, that is WWF, is an international organization founded in 1961. Where is the headquarters of WWF? So its headquarters is in Gland, Switzerland. Option E is the correct answer. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper for SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Thank you.